Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0x80242008 in Windows computer. So this error 0x80242008 from Windows update prevent the user from downloading or installing an important update that leaves user exposed to a specific kind of security risk. It generally occurs because of corrupted system files, misconfigured update services, conflict of third-party programs, and four conditions regarding network connectivity. And then I'll show you solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu. And then here we need to type this troubleshoot settings. And then we need to click open. And then once you open up here at troubleshoot settings and on right side, and then you need now to select this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then here now at left side navigation pane, and then here at additional troubleshooters and get up and running. And then you need now to select this Windows update and then click. And then you can see now this run the troubleshooters, and then you need to click again. And then pop up this Windows update detecting problems. So here we need to wait to complete the initializing and diagnostic process. And then once it's complete this troubleshooting, and then you need now to follow the screen instruction to fix this error. And also you can view detailed informations about this troubleshooting report. And then you need now to follow the step-by-step procedure here. And then also you can tap this next to proceed on the next solutions. Alright, so once you're done here, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to verify Windows Update services. So all you have to do is to click again on search menu, and then we need to type this services, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at services and services local, but before to proceed, then those services we need to check if it is already running, and then select restart. But if the service is not running, and then we need to modify the properties and select settings. Alright, so we need to proceed now. And the next services that we need to modify is to select this background intelligent transfer service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check if this services is already running or not. So since this service is already running, so all you have to do is to click only this restart and then wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this cryptographic services. So same procedure, select and then right click and then check if this services is already running or not. So since this services is already running, so all you have to do is to select again this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this Windows Update services. So you need to scroll down and select Windows Update services. So same procedure, select and then right click and then check if this services is already running or not. So since this services is already running, so all you have to do is to select again this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and after here at services and services local, and then we need to close. And then here now restart menu, and then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.